Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing absolutely good. Well, I am Barsa Biswa from Shillong, Meghalaya. I welcome you to my channel Infinite Green. Please friends, if possible like, share and subscribe my channel Infinite Green. Thank you so much. May Lord bless you all. Well, today I have come up with a plant of purple stem and a beautiful lush green heart-shaped leaves. Yes, I am going to discuss about this beautiful plant of Peperomia carapeta. This Peperomia carapeta, native to Brazil, actually friends, it is a evergreen perennial growing to 20 centimeter tall and wide with heart-shaped lush green glossy leaves, and everybody likes it, and narrow spikes of white flower buds, which add extra beauty to this plant. It blooms only in summer. Well, while talking about the sun exposure to this plant, better keep it away from full sun, but indirect sunlight, or you can say partial shade. At the same time, but it is also possible when we keep it in a low sunlight, it may die. So we have to be very careful while keeping the place where it gets indirect bright sunlight, and it thrives under indoor grow lights as well. An interesting fact is that peperomia remains green when it is being kept in a partial light. Now friends, I would like to talk about the soil. Peperomia like moist soil, or I can say soil should be moist because Peperomia caperata like moisture environment. And allow top inch of soil should be dried between watering, then only we should water to the Peperomia caperata. And remember, always water less in winter. Well, it is amazing to know that the tiny Peperomia caperata plant is a air purifying plant. I would like to inform you that according to NASA research, Peperomia is that plant, their foliage purifies the air. And it's very interesting, it reduces the level of formaldehyde at 40%. I must say, it is an amazing plant. It reduces the level of formaldehyde at 47%. Isn't it so interesting? While coming to the point of whether we should mist it or not, answer is yes. We can mist our Peperomia caperata once in every other day. Probably we may come across to the problem from Peperomia is often leaves falling. I would like to say the reason behind the falling leaves is overwatering. And it is sure one must have come across with this most common cause of leaves falling of Peperomia caperata. And friends, like the other plant, Peperomia does not want to be watered often. And Peperomia caperata stored a lot of water in their leaves. The most common question is how to make Peperomia caperata plant bushier, right? It is so easy, to make it bushier. Just we have pinching out when we see a new growth on the top of the stem between the leaves, and we just have to pinching it out. Now friends, I will let you know that what kind of soil Peperomia caperata requires. Yes, soil should be moist, light and absolutely free from being a soggy. Peperomia like a light but rich mix which drains well. And friends, Peperomia caperata rot out easily, so we have to contain a good amount of coco peat because it holds water. Like normal soil 50%, coco peat 30%, vermicompost 20%, perlite 10%, sand 20% to improve drainage and aeration. And friends, a tips for you. Terracotta clay pot is ideal for this Peperomia caperata because they are porous, which allows the excess water to evaporate. And friends, most of us wanted to know that my Peperomia caperata is dying when we notice its leaf has fallen and flower buds have tilted. Apparently, it may die only because of overwatering, and sadly, it is most common cause of Peperomia caperata's death. After knowing all this wonderful fact about this low maintenance and air purifier plant of Peperomia caperata, who does not want to keep this lashy, glossy green Peperomia plant in their house, right? Hope you are all will be adding this wonderful plant in your house balcony. Okay friend, I would like to stop for today. I shall shortly come with a new informative videos. Your valuable comment will be appreciated. Thank you for watching my channel Infinite Green. Till then, bye bye. Take care. God bless you.